Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with 4 new DAX functions that are exponent, ln, log and then log10. All these 4 DAX functions I will be covering up in this video. So let's get started with the video. To demonstrate and to make you understand all these 4 functionalities, I will just take up one example. For that I will be creating one column, and that will be a calculated column. You can find out the difference between calculated column and calculated measure so that you will be aware that what's its difference. I've already covered up that into the earlier video. You can check out that. So for that, to make you understand, what I can do is I've just taken up on this example. This example is basically of logarithm. If you guys doesn't understand that what logarithm is, or this on layman term, how we can use this particular logarithm. So if you are little bit aware of the exponent, because many people are aware of exponent but they are a bit confused about logarithm. So I have taken up the relationship. I'm just refreshing your knowledge and in terms of exponent and then logarithm, how these things are correlated with each other. So right now what you can see is this log is here with having base 2 and then 8. So we are taking this logarithm of 8 with base 2, which is resulting us in 3. In another means, we can write this particular one as 2 raised to the power. If we would have written like this, 2 raised to the power, that means its power will be 3 equals to 8. Correct? So you can find the you can find the relationship, right? That how this is correlated, this logarithm and then exponent. Whatever base you are having, it is coming here as a value, and whatever result is giving, logarithm is giving, that particular one is the power here. And whatever the logarithm we are taking out, so it is radically opposite. Here it was as an input, here it is as an output. So both of things are directly opposite to each other. Now I will make you understand that what is difference between ln then log 10 here. I'm going to cover up 4 DAX functions in this video. Those are exponent. You already got that what exponent is. Anything raised to the power, that means whatever exponent is nothing but this is called as exponential function. But we are having exponent abbreviation in mathematics that is denoted by e, and it is a mathematical constant which is having the value of approximately 2.71 something. So that is nothing but just a mathematical abbreviation. But this particular one, it is called as exponent function. Now you will tell that once it is value is equals to 2.71, and here what all these things are going on. So you should not confuse in this. Basically it's nothing but the whole equation whatever you are watching in front. This is the equation of exponential function. This is basically a function, and what I am talking about e, that is nothing but the abbreviation, and the abbreviation value is equals to 2.7, right? So this is now coming to logarithm now. So there are 3 types basically into the DAX we are having available into Power BI as of date. That is log, ln and then log10, right? So ln is first I will take up ln, then I will take log, then log10. So ln is nothing but when your ln will having the log will having the base as e, that means e is nothing but 2.71. If it will be the base, if it will be the base, it will be a ln function. Ln is nothing but it is also called, and in fancy term it is also called as uh, natural logarithm. When your logarithm will be having the base as 2.71, that is e, it will be called as natural log, that will be ln. Now coming to log. So log, when we are taking up different variety of bases, here we can put 3, here we can put 4, anything we can put over here, here we can put 5, any bases we can select. So if your basis will be flexible, your basis will be variable, you can put up any basis, then that will be log. And log 10, nothing difference. When your base will be again fixed, that is 10, it will become log 10, right? So it is general purpose. In general cases we are using these two things, that's why it Power BI has separated or it from the log, and it has put it into a separate function, that is ln and then log 10. Both are having the fixed base, we may say. For ln the base will be 2e, and for log 10 the base will be 10, and for log it will be flexible, anything you can choose over there. Better you will understand when I will go with the example. Hope you have understood this first, that what is uh, exponent and then what is log. You don't having any confusion right now. So it's pretty simple. You can take a screenshot so that you can refer it afterwards and make a tally of it. I'm right now removing from here. To just create a new column, what I will choose is column underscore. First I will take up exponent, and in exponent I will take up exp. This is exp is nothing but our exponent function. Return a e raised to the power of a given number. So whatever number you will provide here, the power will be raised with e. Whatever number you will provide here, suppose 3 you are providing. So what does it depicts? What the mathematical formula will be going behind the scene? The formula will be nothing but 3 raised to the power e. Correct? So whatever the value, e is nothing but 2.71. Whatever now value you will obtain on the calculator, that value it is going to provide as an output. So this is how this EXP works. So let me click backspace and then click on OK. You can see the value whatever we will obtaining here. So you can see that it is 20.085, correct? So again, for another DAX function, we will be taking up again a new column, which is a calculated column. Once this calculated column is created, we will rename it as column underscore. Suppose ln it is over here, which we want to explore first. So underscore ln we can take as example as a DAX function. What it is telling you, returns the natural logarithm of a number. Natural logarithm I have already explained, but let me just pass on the value and then I will let you. So let me first tell you that what it is going to do is, it will do nothing but it will take log of what? Log of 3, log of 3, and with base, what should be the base here? Base will be e, since e is the base when natural logarithm comes into the picture. So log with having base e of whatever number you have taken up here, that number is 3, so that will be the value that it is telling, this function is telling this particular thing. So let me remove this, and then we can just execute it to get the value and see that what the result it is giving. It is giving up 1.0986. Fine. Similarly, when we are going again and clicking on new column to create new column, so that you can see that what another function we are having. Another function, first we look up at log10 suppose. So log10 we are having, we are just taking suppose 3 as an input on here parameter. So what it is trying to tell now, log10 3. This equation is nothing but this represents as is taking up the log of what? Log of 3. And with what base? In past scenario we saw that the base was 2.71, that was e, since it was natural logarithm. So here it is telling you log10, so here the base will be 10. So these two are the common scenario we face in day-to-day activity. That's why these two bases has been put out and put it into a new separate DAX function that is called as ln and then log10. Both having different bases but having very different use cases, since both are having different bases into it. Let me remove it for now and then execute it. You'll get the value here. Now the most versatile function into the list is log. If we'll go with our log functionality, we are having log here. Now this particular one is expecting two numbers here. First one, the logarithm of whatever we want to take, that is 3, suppose 3, and base, it is asking for the base. Suppose I am putting up the base as 10 only, so that we can just see that if we are passing the 10 as a base here, if our means our formula whatever it is applying here behind the scene, it is getting applied correctly or whatever it is, it will just show us if the value it will give whatever we are passing over here and whatever the value it will provide into this particular column. If both the matches, then definitely whatever it is telling and whatever we have applied into this column are same, right? So let me click on OK. You can see that exactly same value we got, right? Exactly same value, but here the formula was different, here the formula is different, but behind the scene both the formula are same only. Same in means of here it is just the log of what? Log of 3, log of 3 with having base of what? With having base of 10. Fine. So this is how behind the scene it is working. This is what the formula is getting applied over there. So that was whole about this video. Any confusion, let me know into the comment section. If you found the video helpful, kindly like to the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the videos. See you in the next videos, guys.